Ma'am.
So today we will be going. So today till 2 p.m. Pink class will send their notebooks to me, roll number 1 to 10, and from 11 to 20 up to 5 p.m. Got my point? So today only up to 5 o'clock, 1 to 20 roll number can send their notebooks. Got it? Got it? ठीक है? So दूसरी चीज है, आज हमने एक चैप्टर स्टार्ट करना है, दैट इज रोल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन हेल्थ. देखो, रोल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट हमें पता है, आर गवर्नमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल. हमारी जो गवर्नमेंट है इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल. इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है? इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड वी हैव द हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज आल्सो. We have health facilities also. So we have health facilities also, which is being provided to us by the government. अब आज की डेट में देखिए, we people are working and we people are working at different levels. Some are working as a domestic worker, some are working as you can say peasants, some are working as laborers, some are working as you can say doctors, some are working as engineers and scientists. Number of options are there. Some are working as low wage workers. हर एक की economic condition different है. So we cannot think. Now come to the point without delay. हमारे चैप्टर में हमने क्या करना है, वी लिविंग इन द डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री इन विच वी ऑल आर फ्री टू टेक द डिसीजन. ये तो हमें पता लग गया. ऑन इक्वालिटी में हमने देखा था कि वी पीपल आर लिविंग इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री एंड गवर्नमेंट इज ऑल्सो वर्क फॉर वेलफेयर. हमारी जो गवर्नमेंट है इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, इट वर्क्स फॉर वेलफेयर ऑफ. It works for the welfare of common people. Just jot down these points side by side, and as we work for the, this would be go through the, और जो गवर्नमेंट है it provide us number of facilities. क्या क्या देती है? It provide number of facilities like education, health and employment, housing, development of roads, infrastructure, electricity, etc. So government is providing all the facilities like health, education, roads, dams, etc. सब कुछ हमें देती है, ये सब कुछ हमें देती है. But now in this chapter we will study about the in this parameter. In health, we will study role of government in health. As government is responsible to us, government works for the welfare of common people. As we are having democratic government, we are living in a democratic form of government in which government is responsible to common people, government works for the welfare of common people, and government provide us education, health, road, dams, electricity, all these things are provided to us. जो हमारे घर में फैन चल रहा है, वो फैन हम लोगों ने खरीदा, फैन हमने है, लेकिन उसको चलाने के लिए जो हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ रही है दैट इज बीइंग प्रोवाइडेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. वो कहाँ से आ रही है? गवर्नमेंट हमें दे रही है. हम नहीं बना पा रहे हैं. क्या हम डैम बना सकते हैं? क्या हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट कर सकते हैं? सो दिस इज ओनली द वर्क ऑफ. Now in this chapter we will study about the role of government in health. Now first question आता है, is health. What is health? Health क्या है? We think it means our ability to remain free from illness. Write down our ability to, यहाँ पर लिख लीजिए, so now next concept है what is health. Health means our ability to remain, our ability remain out from the illness. Find number one, or free from illness. Out from the illness or free from the illness. Got it? You can jot down these points. But health doesn't mean only diseases. हेल्थ का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें चोट लग गई तो उसका मतलब हम अनहेल्दी हो गए, हमें सिर में दर्द है तो हम अनहेल्दी हैं, हमें फीवर है तो हम अनहेल्दी हैं. नो, अनहेल्दी means the situations also. Unhealthy means the situations also, like common people, those who are living in the juggies. Like हम लोग पिछले चैप्टर की बात करें तो Kanta was a lady who was getting the equal right in vote, but she was not having that much of capacity to send her daughter to the hospital. Take her daughter to the hospital. Why so? ये क्या है? ये भी एक हेल्थ का ही पार्ट है कि हेल्थ जो है, हेल्थ डजंट मींस दैट मतलब physically we are not well. Health means we people are not able to cope up with the situations. Point clear है? यहाँ पर clear है? Just thumbs up आरव चोपड़ा if it is clear. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है, नेक्स्ट अब मैं आपको साथ साथ रीड करके पढ़ा रही हूँ so that you can underline the concepts also. Number one, we can think of health in many ways. Health means ability of remain free from illness or injuries, but health is not about diseases. Health का मतलब ये नहीं कि सिर्फ बीमारियों को हम देखें. It may have associated only with some situations. In the above college and health collage, what is often ignored with the fact. अब health का मतलब ये नहीं है. अब health का मतलब है कि if a family is very big in size. हेल्थ का मतलब क्या है? अ फैमिली विच इज वेरी बिग इन साइज. सपोज एक फैमिली के घर पे 7 किड्स हो, पेरेंट्स हो और पेरेंट्स के भी आगे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हो, ठीक है, सारे बैठे हो और कमाने वाला एक हो. कैन वी कंसिडर दैट ऑल आर हेल्दी? सबको न्यूट्रिशियस फूड सारा मिल रहा होगा? नहीं. Everyone will not be having a good quality of food with them. So we often ignore the fact that situations are also related to fact, to health. Situations जो है वो भी health के साथ relate करते. We need to think other factors that, for example, if people get clean and drinking water. अब देखो, a person who is not having pure, clean or drinking water, it means that person is not considered to be living in the healthy conditions. A person who is not having pure environment surrounding them. So जैसे झुग्गी झोपड़ी में कांता रहती थी, तो कांता की सिचुएशंस की ऐसी थी कि उसके घर के आसपास मॉस्किटोज बहुत थे. ड्रेन था ना उसके घर के बैक पे, उसके घर के बैक पे ड्रेन था. So drain was responsible for getting the diseases to the mankind. So this also situations also affect the health. So the free environment, so pollution, pure drinking water, safe environment, pollution free environment, they are likely to be healthy. So what the other than illness? What is health? The ability to remain from the illness or free from the illness. It includes, यहाँ पर साथ में लिख सकते हैं, it includes नंबर 1 क्या इंक्लूड करता है? सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, pollution free environment, pollution free environment. Are you writing, everyone? So it also require pollution free environment and safe drinking water and pure matlab good or adequate amount of food. Good amount of food quality. With quality. Is it okay to everyone? Is it okay to everyone? So what is health? Agar question aata hai, what is health? Health means our ability to remain out from the illness or free from the illness or injuries. It also includes the surrounding also, like pure drinking water, free environment, free from pollution, and good amount of food. ठीक है? If a person do not have these things along with, ये सिर्फ हेल्थ का मतलब ये नहीं कि हम बीमार है तो हम या चोट लग गई या सिर दर्द हो रहा है तो we are not healthy. We people are not healthy if we are not having these parameters also. So first question is clear? Is it clear? कोई doubt? Now the concept 2 on page number 20, just come out, अपना page turn कर लिए. Healthcare in India. Now, what is the condition of health services in India? This is a remembering based concept. ये हमारा याद करने वाला concept है. इसमें हम लोग कोई भी ऐसी चीज नहीं लेंगे जो हमें मतलब अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो. इसमें हमें थोड़ा सा याद करना पड़ेगा. फैक्ट्स, ठीक है? जैसे हमें अपना बर्थडे डेट याद करनी रखती है ना, रखते हैं ना, याद रखते हैं, लेकिन वो अब हमारे रूटीन में है तो हमें इमीडिएटली याद रहती है. सेम इन द केस वी हैव टू गो विद द रिमेंबर फॉर दिस कंसेप्ट. Healthcare in India. Let us examine the aspect of healthcare in India. Can you provide the title for these columns? अब देखिए ये columns दिए हुए हैं हम लोग को, इसमें facts हैं which I am going to tell you. Number 1, India is the largest number of medical colleges. Number 1, ये आपको पॉइंट याद करना है. What kind of medical facilities are being provided in India? भारत में कैसे medical facilities हैं? What kind of medical level is there in India? भारत में medical level कैसा है? Number 1, India is having largest amount of medical colleges. ठीक है? Number 2, approximately 15,000 new doctors qualified every year. हर साल कितने कॉलेज में डॉक्टर्स पैदा होते हैं? कितने बनते हैं डॉक्टर्स? कितने बनते हैं डॉक्टर बेटा?
15,000.
15,000.
So number 2 point, अब देखिए number 2 point, number 1 point is India is largest number of medical colleges. Number 2, it produces 15,000 new doctors every year. 2 point हो गए. India's condition in healthcare. Number 3, most अब देखो इधर वाले लेफ्ट वाले पॉइंट्स ही देखने हैं, बिकॉज जो राइट वाले पॉइंट्स हैं दीज आर demerits. I will discuss it later. So healthcare facilities are grown substantially over a year in 1950. अगर हम बात करें 1950 में हमारे इंडिया में there were 2,717 hospitals, but आज की in 1950 में हमारे इंडिया में कितने कॉलेजेस थे? That was 2717. डाटा याद रहेगा. 2717 colleges were there in India in 1950. But आज की डेट की अगर बात बताऊं 1991, it has, और in 2000 का डाटा ले लो, पिछला बीच वाला रहने दो, सिर्फ 2000 का डाटा आप अंडरलाइन करेंगे. That was 18,218. 18 to 18. याद रहेगा? It will be easy for you to learn. As I told you, it is a remembering based question. India is having largest number of medical colleges. India produces 15,000 doctors per year. India in 1950 was having 2,717 hospitals in India, but now in 2000 year 2000 में कितने hospitals थे? It was 18,218. 4 point is clear. Then fifth point, India gets large number of medical tourists. फॉरेन से ट्रीटमेंट करवाने वाले भारत के अंदर बहुत आते हैं. As India is having a good amount of medical colleges, trained doctors, so foreign people also come here to get the medical treatment. So India is having largest number of medical tourists. Number 5, ये हो गया 5 number. Number 6 आ गया, they came from for the treatment in the hospitals. India that compare with the best, as India provide best medical facility with as compared to the world. India provide best medical facility as compared to the world. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कौन सा करना है, दैट इज 6th पॉइंट आपको मैं लिखवा रही हूँ, जस्ट जॉट डाउन. India is having 4th largest producer of medicine in the world. अब कोविड शील्ड किसने बनाई? पूरे वर्ल्ड को एक्सपोर्ट हो रही है, किसने बनाई? This is the live example you have here in India. India is having 4th largest producer of medicine in the world. India is 4th largest producer of medicine in the world. Fine. So this point you have to learn, and also the largest exporter of medicine. So all 6 points are clear to you. Healthcare services in India. India is having largest medical facilities. India produces maximum doctors every year, 15,000. In 1950, there were 2,717 colleges, hospitals, but now in 2000, अब तो और बढ़ गए. 2000 में कितने थे? That was 18,218 colleges. India is having 4th rank in the world to produce the medicines, and maximum exports are being done of medicines from India. Next concept आ जाता है कि foreign medical tourists are also coming to get their treatment. Is it okay to everyone? Any doubt in this? Now I am telling you the demerits of this further point, that is most doctor. अब देखो हमने कहा कि 15,000 doctors are being produced every year, but every doctor do not want to settle in the rural area. They want to settle in the urban area or want to migrate from India to the foreign country, isn't it? Do we believe in this fact? This is exactly a right fact. Fine. So most of the doctors want to settle themselves in the urban area. Number 2, the number of doctors with respect to the population is still less, as India is having huge population, but no doubt हम कह रहे हैं कि 15,000 डॉक्टर हर साल क्यों बनते हैं, but still the amount of doctors produced as per the ratio of population of India is quite less. So 2 demerits are clear. Number 1, all the doctors want to make themselves settle only in the urban area. Number 2, the ratio between the size of population and the produced doctor is still very less. 15,000 every year is not compatible with the amount of population. We have 1.3 million, right? So after 5 lakh people die because of nutrition. अगर हम लोग बात करें तो हमारे देश में हर साल लाखों लोग जो है वो न्यूट्रिशन की कमी के कारण मरते हैं. So the number amount unchanged since independence, almost 2 million cases of malaria. मलेरिया भी होता है because as Kanta was living at the backside of drain, सो डेफिनेटली वहां मॉस्किटोज होते हैं और मॉस्किटोज जो है वो उनके हेल्थ पर अफेक्ट करते हैं। हमारे इंडिया में नियर अबाउट 2 लाख पीपल्स आर स्टिल going to die due to malaria. This is the fact. ये आपको लर्न करना होगा. So the cases of malaria are reported every year and this number is still not decreasing. ये number अभी भी decrease नहीं हो रहा है. These are the demerits and some facts which I am telling you. We are not able to provide clean drinking water to all, and 21% of all communicable diseases. Communicable disease क्या होती है? From one person to another person. Waterborne diseases, diarrhea, worms, hepatitis. Next point जो आता है, that is we can say half of all children in India do not get adequate food facilities. So food facility is still not being provided to everyone. I hope it is clear. Merits and facts and actual facts. Merits facts and demerit facts of all about the healthcare in India. Is it okay to everyone? I hope it is clear up to this. So tomorrow we will consider the another aspect. Fine.